True peace. Ken KITT car goes from fighting crime to hawking chicken licking fingers. Man, peep the slang. Earlier this year, David Hasselhoff announced that he would be selling another batch of memorabilia from his personal collection. Among the many amazing things was the most amazing one, the KITT car from the TV series of the same name. You should have gave it to me. I remember having one of these KITT cars when I was a kid. It did the talking inside. It had the lights on the outside. Two people was able to fit in there. I remember. Peep the slang. Well, let's go see some videos, some pictures. Okay. But I think they got a video, man. But peep the slang. Based on the 1982 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, KITT remains one of the most iconic fictional vehicles of all times. So it came as little surprise to hear that bidding in the earlier days had already surpassed the highest estimate of 300,000. Whether the car ever sold was not made public. Further adding to the confusion, the Hoff himself drove it from an appearance on the Kelly Clarkson show at the end of the last month. Peter Slang, just a couple of days prior to that, KITT was starring in its own ad for Chicken Licken, the largest non-American owned fried chicken franchise in the world, with actor Michael Nyethi as its new partner. KITT is no longer fighting crime now, but hawking fried chicken in a more humorous and much shorter take on the original show. Hasselhoff makes an appearance as well, and he gets his own shorter spot. The latter premiered on social media this week. Peep the slang. This brings us to the question: could this be the real KITT? According to the ongoing rumors, it probably is, and Chicken Licken paid millions to get it just so it will launch a new campaign for its new Super Slider Chicken Burger. Business Insider asked agency Joe Public, which handles the campaign, whether there is any truth to the reports, and their response only adds more fuel to the fire. Peep the slang. Let's just say we'll find out as the campaign progresses, is the official comment from the agency. If this sounds like yes, but we're not okay yet with going on the record with it, you wouldn't be the first to think it. In other words, KITT went from fighting crime to hawking fried chicken, which is not nearly half as bad as it sounds. Before a worldwide audience get a new KITT movie, we might as well enjoy the car otherwise, whichever way we can. Plus, the original Michael is back too, and it is funny to see how he is trying and failing to reconnect with his old sidekick. Junk food does that to you, man. Peep the slang. Watch the video.
Eh, có kasi nasa comeback later din. Both of you. Tell her we'll be back. Eyes on the road, Michael. Relax, Michael. I have eyes. Let's do this, cheese boy. I like you. Is that you? Michael? Oh, buddy, I've been looking for you everywhere. Where have you been?
KITT, I have your film. It's
Who are you? I'm Michael Knight. Who are you? Michael Young.
Michael Lee.
Sorry, Michael. Wrong number.
New rider, new slider.
Life is about reality.
Man, Pete the Slang, man. Shem, Michael, you can't Google translate your way back into Kit's life. Feel like you're dealing with the super slider here, man. What he got to say?
Hello, this is Kit. I'm a little preoccupied at the moment. Leave a message after this. Hey, Kit. It's Michael. Look, I know you haven't been returning my calls, and I hope you are mahala to talk soon. Look, I know things have gone a little mazanzi between us, but I miss you, man. Look, I know that you're probably still staying Shoshaloza and that you're a mandla, okay? But call me, man. I mean, things have been a little halikata without you. Call me back, buddy. It's Michael. Sharp, sharp.
Sharp, sharp. The new rider, the new slider. That's right.
Hello, this is Kit. I'm a little preoccupied at the moment.